Hey guys, it's me again, Jay with Barrett Pressure Washing. Today I'm going to be doing some pressure washing in Clearwater, Florida. I've got a driveway and some sidewalk to do, and it is a beautiful day here in Clearwater. So stick around and I'll show you how I do it. First thing I'm going to do is wet down all these bushes, because on this particular job I'll be using a higher concentration of sodium hypochlorite. It's about a 50-50 mixture. Some guys will use a pump sprayer. I'm electing to use my soft wash system here, only because my soft wash system does come with a dialed in ratio, so you can really get the mixture that you want. And then of course I'm going through with the surface cleaner and going over that twice. This area, you really can't see it in the video, but it is pretty bad through here, and I'm getting the bricks as well. After the surface cleaner, go through with the turbo tip, get all the nooks and crannies, and then of course last with the rinse. And then wet those bushes one more time. Oh yeah. So we're doing the same thing here on the driveway. Again, elected to use the higher concentration of the sodium hypochlorite, only because I wanted it to match the walkway. The driveway really didn't need it, but it will brighten it up significantly when using the higher concentration of chemical. This guy also had some waterproofing. Something spilled on his driveway a few years ago. He said, you know, you can really see it when it's wet there, but when it's dry you can't really see it, so I didn't worry too much about it. Going through with that turbo tip, making sure to get the edges. I try to clean out the edging alongside of the driveway and the walkways where the landscapers make that nice edging. I clean out the leaves and any debris that falls in there and make those lines nice and sharp. Again, on the walkway, using the same system, using that soft wash system. It does come with a chemical proportioner, so I can really get the mixture that I want. This job was pretty quick. Going through again with that surface cleaner, side to side, edging it out first, then side to side. You can see edge, edge, side to side. Lastly, just taking that turbo tip, cleaning up all the edges, all the nooks and crannies, blowing the debris away, and that's a wrap. So there it is, the finished product. Hey, if you're looking for pressure washing in Clearwater, Florida, look no further than Barrett Pressure Washing. I have more than 15 years of industry experience. I'm professionally trained and certified, tons of 5-star Google reviews, but more than that, I really am committed to excellence in every job that I do. I do meticulous work and have the utmost respect for my customers and their property, and minimizing my impact on the environment. And remember,